Good morning, my friends. We're out having a nice little jolly on the 690 supermoto. I need to screw that better. It's wobbling all over the place. Gotta go over. I've passed it a few times, but there's a new cafe called Revs on the 429. I do need a new rear tyre on this. It's got a bit square and I can feel it's square. Morning. Lambretta or Vespa, one of the two. Oh, come on, dude. 34.32 in a 60. There's being cautious and safe, and there's being stupid. Is the foss still closed down here? Yep. We're down to the bloody HS2 crap. Oh, just to add, I had a little issue with the 390, and I think this was as it came out of the factory. The low beam, or DRL if you want to call it that, wasn't working. I happened to be watching the 390 supermoto video on YouTube. Fucking roads around here are ridiculous. I noticed the headlight was lit up at the top, where mine just had the little square in the middle lit up. Anyway, long story short, I took it apart, had a look, this, that and the other. Got in touch with DMC, took it back, and the headlight was faulty. They stuck a new one on, worked straight away. So I didn't even notice it at first. So, a minor issue, but the first issue with the 390. What a beautiful day. It's a shame it's ruined by the smell of cow shit. Oh shit. Yeah, come down the foss and get your muck, £2 a bag. I absolutely love the sound of that wings exhaust. It's perfect. Listen to that. So what's your go-to exhaust? What's the one that tickles your fancy on any bike? For me, the Speed Triple is the Austin Racing. On my 1290, it was Austin Racing. Obviously, 690 for me is the Wings. Wings are developing one, or they're going to develop one for the 390. Calm it down, Robin, calm it down. Yeah, I got in touch with them and asked them, are they developing one for the 390? They said they will be. Currently in development on the new 690 2026. And, which one did they say? They did say another one. Another KTM. I'm not too sure if it was the 3090, the Adventure, or something along those lines. Anyway, the 2026 supermoto for definite, and they did say they will be developing the 390. I've just been commuting to run the 390 in to work and stuff, and I've had so much fun just riding into work on that bike. Don't worry, I shan't be getting rid of the I shan't get rid of the RS. I've got to have a big bike, but these smaller ones like this 690, I've got to admit, this is total grin factor. It's light, it's agile, powerful. Bit of sunshine brings the boys out. Want it? Yeah, okay, thank you. Fucking miserable. What is it with some guys? I had a rant about this several years ago when I had a 701. Miserable so-and-sos on GS's and cruisers. Anyway, here's Revs. Gotta get the best one in. Nice little collection back here.
You preempted it.
Oh no!
Just about reached. So that was a brief little stop at Revs. Very filling sandwich and a cup of tea. Want it? Hey! Somebody nodded back. That bloody cat. So mature. Pop, pop, bang. Yeah, don't want to mess with him. Oops. I've got to say it, I don't like to pick a favourite. But right now, this 690 is my favourite. that's an Evo. Boom, 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 boom. I'm loving this bike. It's currently my favourite bike right now this minute, but that will soon change, I'm sure. Look at you revving it in a built-up area, you knob. Yeah, great place to stand. Cheeky little shortcut, Robbie. Cheeky. I didn't mean to go up here. I meant to carry on going that way and come out by the Chesterford Grange Hotel. Boys out. So this is where my journey ends. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you will. I really do appreciate it. Take care and ride safe.